Hello everyone, so today I will record a video and show you how to switch the active member in a XenServer bond configuration. So for you to be able to do this, you need an active-passive bond, so that one of the network cards is always taking the traffic and the other one is in standby. Let's get right to it. So we have here a pool that each server has 2 network cards, and they have a bond created, and now we just want to switch to replace the active member with I don't know, if it's NIC 0, then we jump to NIC 1. Okay, so let's do it because it's not so much to show. Okay, so first thing, we need to see our current configuration, and that is through OVS bond show. So we have active backup configuration. As I told you, the bond is called bond 0. Active member is Ethernet 0, and Ethernet 1 is the backup, and we just want to switch from one to another, and that can be done through this command. So same command, but here to set active member, you type the bond name and the network card that you want to promote as active, and in our case is EDH1. This is done. You can check the configuration again, and now we have the other network card. This can be done during production, so if your network is correctly configured and the network switches are working as they should, you should have no issue. So all the traffic should be redirected to the new network card, and it should work flawlessly. Okay, this was it. It was a short video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.